So, what do I do? What is a car haggler? What is an auto broker? Why do I need you? I can go to this dealership where I'm at right now and buy a car. What do I need you for? What can you do for me? I sold cars for 6.5 years. I know the ins and the outs of the car business. I know the tricks. I know everything that car dealers do. If you need a car, there's no reason that you should not be having me help you. If I don't save you my fee, I'll work for free. Everything that I do, you can do on your own, but I can do it faster. I can do it more efficiently. I can save you time as well as money. Let me work for you, and if I can't help you, I'm not going to charge you. It's that simple. I know where to get the best interest rate. I know how to maximize for your trade. I know all of that because I was in the car business for 6.5 years. So let me help you.